Hey everyone, welcome back to MadeEasy. My name is Emma, and today I'm going to show you a really useful feature in Power BI's Navigator window, the Select Related Table button. This quick tip will help you automatically select related tables when importing a database. Shall we start? Alright, let's dive in. Do you know that Power BI can automatically select related tables for you while importing a database? This isn't an advanced tutorial. It's a short video to familiarize you with a useful option in the Navigator window of Power BI. I hope this will save you a minute or two in the future. I assume you've already watched our video on how to connect a database in Power BI. You know, the procedure for importing different types of databases to Power BI is similar. Today, I'm going to import the Access database called Northwind. Once you've connected to your database, you'll see the Navigator window like this. Here, we have 7 main tables that contain the data we need. I'm going to select 1 or 2 tables and let Power BI automatically select all the other related tables for us. So let's start by selecting the Orders table and the Products table. Just click the small box to the left of these tables to tick them. Now, look at the bottom left of the Navigator window. You'll see a button called Select Related Table. This is the feature I want to show you. When you click this button, Power BI will automatically detect and select the related tables. I'm clicking it now, and as you can see, it takes a moment to detect the other tables. Here it is. Power BI has automatically selected 4 other tables: customers, employees, order details, and shippers. Now, you can import all these tables together. There's also another feature in Power BI to auto-detect relationships in the data, which I've covered in another video. Don't confuse that with the Select Related Table option in the Navigator window. Alright, that's everything I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and explore more tutorials on MadeEasy. If you're new here, we'd love to have you join our online community. Thanks for joining us on this learning journey. See you next time!